Okay, this is Baby Char's boat, and he's gonna go swimming in the water. All right, Baby Char, go. Be free. Okay, so Baby Char is kind of because we're very irresponsible kids. And we kind of don't have anything to get him out, so good luck, Baby Char. Okay, so our parents are getting mad at us. We have to push him all the way to the shallow end to get him out, yeah. All right, come on, Baby Char. I almost dropped my phone.
We're gonna save him. We're gonna save him, guys.
He's going down. Timber. Save him, Lucas. Let's go, we saved him. Yes.
And he has a message for us.
Underwater review.
Jacob.
Ooh.
We saved him.
We saved him.
Oh, look at him.